For many small business owners, freelancers, and self-employed professionals, FreshBooks is a familiar and trusted name in the world of accounting software. Its user-friendly interface, robust invoicing features, and focus on service-based businesses have made it a go-to solution for managing finances. But as with any widely used tool, it's natural to wonder about the entity behind it. So, what company owns FreshBooks? The answer is straightforward. FreshBooks is developed and operated by 2ND Site Incorporated. This might not be a name you hear as frequently as FreshBooks itself, but it's the corporate entity that holds the reins. Understanding this relationship is important for anyone looking to use the software, as it sheds light on its origins, its business model, and its overall stability in the competitive accounting software market. FreshBooks' story begins in 2003 in Toronto, Canada. It was founded by Mike McDermott, who, frustrated with the cumbersome process of invoicing as a small business owner himself, decided to build a better solution. This personal experience in the trenches of small business finance is a key element in FreshBooks' design philosophy. It was built by someone who truly understood the pain points of its target audience. This origin story highlights a common theme in successful software development: solving a real-world problem. From that initial spark, FreshBooks, under the umbrella of 2ND Site Inc., grew organically. It started as a simple invoicing tool, focused on making it incredibly easy for independent professionals to send professional-looking invoices and get paid. This narrow but deep focus allowed them to excel at their core offering, building a loyal user base. Over the years, 2ND Site Inc. has strategically expanded FreshBooks' capabilities, evolving it from a mere invoicing solution into a comprehensive cloud accounting platform. This expansion has included adding features such as expense tracking, allowing users to easily record and categorize business expenses; time tracking, essential for service-based businesses to accurately bill for their hours; payments, integrating with various payment gateways to streamline the process of receiving payments from clients; financial reporting, providing insights into a business's financial health through profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and other key reports; project management, basic project management features to tie financial aspects to specific projects; team collaboration, enabling multiple users to access and work within the FreshBooks account, suitable for growing teams. While 2ND Site Inc. is the parent company, it's worth noting that FreshBooks operates as a software-as-a-service (SaaS) model. This means that users access the software over the internet, typically through a web browser or a mobile app, rather than installing it directly on their computers. This SaaS model is central to FreshBooks' accessibility and continuous improvement, as 2ND Site Inc. handles all the technical infrastructure, updates, and maintenance. One might wonder if FreshBooks has been acquired by a larger technology conglomerate. While it's common for successful tech companies to be acquired by giants like Intuit, which owns QuickBooks and TurboTax, or SAP, FreshBooks has largely maintained its independence under 2ND Site Incorporated. They have, however, made a few strategic acquisitions of their own to enhance their product. For instance, in 2020, FreshBooks acquired Facturama, a Mexican e-invoicing company. This acquisition demonstrates 2ND Site Inc.'s commitment to expanding FreshBooks' global footprint and catering to specific regional compliance needs, particularly in a market like Mexico where electronic invoicing is heavily regulated. The ownership structure of 2ND Site Inc. is not publicly traded on a stock exchange in the same way that a massive corporation like Microsoft or Apple is. This means it is a privately held company, which often implies that its ownership is primarily held by its founders, employees, and potentially a number of private investors or venture capital firms that have provided funding for growth over the years. This private ownership allows FreshBooks to maintain a more focused vision and potentially less pressure from quarterly earnings reports that public companies face. From an accounting software expert's perspective, knowing that 2ND Site Inc. owns and operates FreshBooks provides a sense of stability and continuity. It indicates that the software is backed by a dedicated team with a long history of developing and refining solutions specifically for small businesses. This focus means that FreshBooks isn't a side project for a giant corporation but a core business. This dedication often translates into better customer support, more relevant features, and a deeper understanding of the unique challenges faced by the self-employed and small business owners. In summary, when you use FreshBooks, you are using accounting software developed and maintained by 2ND Site Inc., a company that was founded in Toronto, Canada, in 2003. Their journey from a basement operation solving a founder's personal invoicing problem to a leading cloud accounting solution underscores the power of focused innovation and a deep understanding of customer needs. For anyone seeking to streamline their financial management, understanding the company behind the software provides valuable assurance and insight into the philosophy driving its continued development.